AJ!
Yeah?
Come on.
Honestly, I don't want to be a part of it.
Right.
Can we just do...
Sit down, I'm rolling.
Can we just do these bits?
I've got... You had the camera there?
Yeah, I've been using it. That's it.
Let's put the camera away. This is ready to go. Today is the big day.
No. Honestly, we don't have to do it. They won't notice. Just keep it.
Right. That's the bag.
There you go.
The day you've all been waiting for.
I've put it all away. See ya.
All of this stuff that AJ got for the grab and go review, we are giving away today. We have drawn the winner and the time is up.
Well, if you're going to do it, you at least let me be part of it.
No, it's good.
So,
Right,
so
announce it.
it's the big day, is it?
It is the big day. Announce it.
Not yet, no. I'm not ready to part with it yet. Not ready to.
Obviously everything's been opened.
Have you already drawn the winner?
We've reviewed it. I've drawn the winner, but I haven't said it yet.
So because you haven't said it yet, we could just cancel the whole thing.
No, it's done. Everything's been open. We've reviewed all of this. You'll see that coming up on the YouTube channel. So watch out for that. But all of this is going to one person. Out of the 22,000 entries, which is incredible, we have managed to gain the attention of SLR Hut. So thank you all for your help in that. And SLR Hut have now kindly sent us the next item for review, which means we have a giveaway to run.
Not again. Can we not just keep the next one?
We have a giveaway for next month.
It's really good as well. It's a really good camera. It's a really good thing. I've kind of let.
I'm not going to say it.
Okay.
Right.
It's really good.
The next one.
We're going to keep it.
Should we say the winner of this yet?
The whole point of these is to drag it out as long as possible.
Well, out of all the entries, there's so many of you that are going to be upset, and I'm sorry about that. But do enter next month, because all you need to do, if you're already a subscriber, is just click, and it will confirm that you've already subscribed. So you've already done all that you've got to do.
But we're not giving away the next camera, are we?
And there's another great giveaway.
Oh, we're not giving it away.
But this time it doesn't hurt AJ's wallet, and hopefully not your feelings. But this one here is going to be boxed and sent to our lucky winner. Can I say it now?
I mean,
it's gone on for quite a while.
I feel like we could pause it, have a little discussion, and then...
We're definitely giving this away.
And then we could decide if we really want to give it away or not.
I've got to say I've already contacted the winner.
You've already contacted them?
Yeah.
What about the next one? Can we just keep the next one? I mean, I've wanted this camera
You get
forever.
to review it. You get to review it.
So I get, basically what's happening here is I get teased with the equipment.
You get a month.
So I get a month to play with this thing.
Yeah.
Really fall in love with it, and then post it to someone who, let's be honest, is probably ungrateful for it.
No.
I mean, was this person grateful?
I don't know yet. They haven't actually responded, but...
See? I told you. Ungrateful.
I was hoping they could respond so I could tell you what they were going to do with it. Obviously, we hope that it will go to someone that's going to use it for a YouTube channel. That would be the absolute dream. We can't dictate that, but out of all of the entries, I've got a feeling it's going to be used for a channel.
That is the cool... I mean, joking aside, that's the cool thing with what we're trying to do is help inspire new filmmakers, new YouTubers, and despite the fact that I really don't want to give this away, the fact that it'll go to someone that's going to start a YouTube channel or improve their YouTube channel with it, that's really cool.
Yeah, yeah. So, for everyone else out there, and to the winner, if you haven't checked your emails yet, this month's winner of the SLR Hut fantastic giveaway, and thank you for helping us get the attention of the guys at SLR Hut. We'll put one in.
Put one in?
Because this is the bit where we delay it and go. So the winner.
The winner is someone that enters. Congratulations.
Without further ado.
The person that's going to pick up this camera and use it is going to be...
the amazing person.
The amazing person.
Who's won this.
He or she will be... Yeah.
Milk it.
Yeah.
Don't skip forwards.
No.
Don't skip. Just wait with the timeline. Wait.
You probably missed it. It might have been you and you've missed it.
Yeah.
You missed your chance.
Yeah. Okay, back to the drum roll.
Yeah, to the drum roll. The tension's rising. It's a bit like that song. Temperature's rising.
Oh, they're excited. They're excited.
Yeah. Before we announce the winner, when's the next video with the next competition? Is that next week?
Yes, it will be a fast turnaround on this one because obviously we're going to give it away in February, so it will hit the end of February, so...
I mean, I spent money on this one and we're giving it away. The next one is something I've lusted over for ages.
Yeah.
And I really don't want to give it away. Like, I really don't want to.
So without further ado, the winner is, drumroll again.
Yeah, drumroll tension.
Yeah.
Is someone that entered the competition. The drumroll stopped.
Ash, shall I go?
Yeah.
Chelsea B Jewellery. Congratulations to Chelsea B Jewellery. All of this is going to be on its way to you. We've sent you an email, so please get back to us with your address and details so we can get this off to you.
Is B their surname?
I think it was Chelsea Butler. Chelsea Butler.
Chelsea
B
where are they
Jewellery.
from? Do you know?
2 secs. From Paynton.
Wow.
That was seamless.
It's seamless, no one would have noticed, and you know, we clearly rehearsed what we're doing here. We've got all the notes written down.
Job done.
Where did you put the notes?
Well, they're on my screen.
Have you got the box with the other giveaway, just so we can tease the size?
Let me just... Oh!
Is it actually that heavy? I mean, you're a big guy.
There's nothing that gives it away, is there?
No. This, if Pete does, don't break what's inside.
I just wanna...
Right, here's a quick quiz for you. In the comments, can you guess what's inside? Clue, it's probably broken. I mean, wow.
There's a lot.
I wouldn't have thought they put that in there, you know. So, tune in next week sometime when we can be bothered to put the video out.
If you saw anything then,
Don't
blank it from your memory.
But I mean, bonus points for people that guess what's inside this next giveaway.
Yeah, the comments are going to come pouring in.
Is it
this? Is it that?
Is it that? Is it Pete's sense of humour? We finally found it.
Thank you. We appreciate you. Keep commenting. We'll keep getting back to you as much as we can. So, Chelsea B, this is all on its way to you.
Oh, that's funny. Where's that gone? Bye.
Let me. Right, you just do the outro. You've got an outro for this. Thanks for watching.
Oh, you know it. Do you watch the videos?
It's your line. I'm normally over there.
Oh, you've given it away now. Everyone thinks I'm on my own because I'm that lonely.
Wait. Oh, this is good. This is good.
Chelsea B, congratulations. This has been our grab and go review competition style. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Oh, that was good.
Rehearsed.
That was good.
Right, I'm keeping the camera now.
Right, just leave the camera.
Well, just cut this bit out and I'll keep the camera.
Leave.
Cut it out, I'll keep the camera, everyone's happy.
You've got a new camera in the box.
Yeah, but I'm giving that one. We're giving it all away. You've told. Right, I'm keeping it anyway. Bye!